Good afternoon, kids. Welcome back to your math class. Today, in our previous class, we have started the third chapter, how much to carry. And now, from that, we will discuss. I hope so you all have completed the homework and you have understood the previous. I told you an activity of soaking a salt and cotton in a different bags into a water. I hope so you all did and you have observed it. Is it right? Now, the page number 19. Here are some. Raju wants to ride a seesaw. Raju wants to ride a seesaw. This is a seesaw. You want to ride it. How it will be? One side up and one side down. Up, down, up, down. It will be like that. Raju, to play a seesaw, there should be two members. One side, some at least two members should be there. There are more, it's okay, but there is a necessary of two. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. Raju is a one boy now. He wants to play a seesaw. He wants to ride a seesaw, and now he wants a friend to play with him. Rani comes to help him. Now see, here Raju is sitting. Now Rani comes to help him. Rani came to help him. Help him is to play. So that when he came to a play, and Rani came to help Raju to ride a seesaw, but still Raju cannot ride it. Look at this picture. See, Rani came to help for Raju, but still he is not able to ride. Why? Why? Because Raju is heavier or lighter than the Rani. Lighter than Rani. He is lighter than the Rani. So he cannot ride a seesaw. Aslam comes to help him. Again, that Aslam has came to help for both. To that both friends. Look at the picture. Look at in this picture, both are at one side and he is at one side. Now, can you tell why the seesaw turned this way? In this before picture, how the seesaw was, and why in this picture the seesaw turned like this? You have to answer. Why? Because Raju is heavier, lighter than the Rani and Aslam together. Raju is heavier or lighter than the Rani and Aslam. Raju is not heavier now. He is lighter. I have an idea. Let me help my bag with me. We all enjoy this ride. All friends togetherly, they have enjoyed the seesaw ride. Now heavier or lighter. Now here it is the heavier or lighter. Which of the two things will make the seesaw go down? Look at the example. In this example, you have to say me, if I keep which object here in this side, which thing in this side, then it will become the ride like this. Seesaw will become like this. Will become down. Now for example, here are two things. Which thing if I keep here, then it will become like this. This thing, because why this thing? Because this is a heavier. Because that thing is a heavier. Now which thing I have to keep here? This pot or bottle. Draw a line to match the heavier one. They have asked the the heavier one. Means here which I have to keep. When I will keep the heavy things, then only the seesaw will go down. So this pot I will keep here, means the seesaw will go below or down. Look at this picture. Which one you feel? It has a heavier glasses or this? This will be the heavier. So we keep a heavier thing here. Now in these two, which one will be the heavier one? Is this jug or a bucket? Bucket will be a heavier one. So I keep the bucket here. Color the one which is lighter. Which is lighter? You have to color it in the textbook. This is given to you. Now look at this. This also school bag and geometric box. Which is lighter one? You have to color the lighter object. Is it clear to everyone? Now Chotu and the carrot. Okay. In this, Chotu monkey and the carrots. Chicky and Mickey are the rabbits. Saw a bag. They saw one bag. It had a carrot in it. In one bag there were some carrots, and that bag is seen by Chicky and Mickey rabbits. Chicky and Mickey started fighting. I will take big carrots. And no, I am bigger, so I will take bigger carrot. Who told this? This Chicky and Mickey both are telling each other. I will take the bigger carrot, so I am bigger, so I will take the bigger carrot. Chotu monkey came to help them. When the Chotu monkey came to help them, that time what happened? See. Can I help you? The monkey asks the rabbit that, can I help you? Now we want to share the carrots equally between us. Equally means same, no more, no less. Equally. We want to share the carrots equally. Equally means equal. Between us. Between us means between whom? Chicky and Mickey. Between Chicky and Mickey, they want to share the carrots bag equally between each other. But some carrots are big and some are small. What to do? What do we do? Now, if they want to take the carrot in equal quantity for both, in equal share for both, then but some carrots are bigger and some are small. Some carrots are big and some are small. Then what to do now? Chotu monkey brought some things to help them. And Chotu monkey brought something. This, see, look at this. He brought something that to solve their problem or to help them. Guess, turn the page number 22. Guess and tell what Chotu monkey used to help. Guess what he used to help. You have to guess what the Chotu monkey has brought to help Chicky and Mickey. Chicky and Mickey draw a picture of it in the monkey's hand. Now draw a picture of it in the monkey's hand. They told what it is, what the monkey has to bring, that you guess and draw a picture in the monkey's hand. Here you have to draw it. So this will be the homework for you. Find out your parents buy a carrot for the family. How much do they buy at a time? If your parents will go to the market and they will bring a carrots for whole family, that time how much they will bring at a one time in your home, that you have to find out. Ask your parents today, how, mummy or papa, how much carrot you will bring to our family at one time. You ask today, and you have to tell me in the live class. How does the vegetable sellers weight the carrot? How does the vegetable seller calculate the weight or measure the weight while selling the carrots? You have maybe shown, but if those who have not seen, you can check in the shops or in the with the vegetable sellers. Okay, this will be the today's activity for you. And today we are going to stop our class here. Next we will discuss in our next class. So till that, take care, have a nice day. Thank you, kids.